Let's start by defining a base object named DataObject. This will be the foundation for our properties that we are going to define. We use Object.defineProperty to add an age property to our DataObject. Object.defineProperty is a method that lets us define or modify a property directly on an object. We set the enumerable option to true, which allows the age property to be enumerated in loops such as for in or in an array created by object keys. The configurable option is also set to true. This means we can modify the property type or delete the property from the object if needed, later on in our code. Now we define a getter function. This function will return the value of our internal _age property whenever the age property is accessed. Next, we define a setter function. This function will be called whenever a new value is assigned to the age property. Inside our setter, we add a type check condition. If the new value is not of type number, we throw a type error alerting that the age must be a number. Then, we check the value's range. We throw a range error if the age is not within the permissible range of 0 to 150. This ensures that the value is sensible within human parameters. If the value passes both checks, it's then assigned to our internal _age property. At this point, our object will store the validated age value. With this, we close off our Object.defineProperty call, finishing the definition of the age property. Let's see our property validation in action. Well, attempt to set the age property with a valid number, 25. After setting the age, log it to the console, showing that our object correctly returns the value we just set. Now let's see what happens if we try to set the age property with a string, which is not a valid number. We should expect an error to be thrown. Since we're wrapping our code in a try-catch block, we can catch the error and log its message to the console. And there we go. The type error we defined in the setter function is output, telling us age must be a number.